Hello, today we're going to learn how to use Google Sheets to make a bar graph. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google Drive account, and then you would click on New and then Google Sheets, and it's going to open an untitled spreadsheet. What you're going to do next is grab your tally chart from your survey, and you're going to put the results from your tally chart into the spreadsheet. So let's say my pretend double bar graph is going to be about favorite sports in 4B. And the favorite sports that I chose were soccer, badminton, hockey, and basketball. And let's say that I decided to compare boys and girls. So all that information needs to be written or else it won't be included in your graph. So you would be using your results from your survey. I'm just going to put in random numbers. So let me just put in some numbers here. Okay, so now that you've inputted your data, you want to create a graph. So you're going to highlight the information so that the computer knows that that's what you want to put into your graph. And you're going to say insert chart. And you're going to see a bunch of different things come up, and you want to choose the double bar graph. So you're going to click insert, and it's just going to go into your spreadsheet. You just want to move it over so that it's not blocking your data. And you'll see that some of the information is correct and other things you need to change or add. So first of all, we need to change the title. So you're going to just click on the title, and you're going to write whatever you want your title to be. So favorite sports in 4B, and then enter so that it registers the changes. And then you'll notice that there's no X or Y axis labels or horizontal or vertical axis labels. So to do that, you're going to right click on the actual graph, go to axis, and then horizontal axis title. And you're going to write whatever the title is that you want to include. Ours is going to be, sorry, not soccer, but sports. And then if you want the writing to be a little bit bigger, you can just increase the number and then press enter. We also need to do our vertical axis title. So again, right click, axis, and left vertical axis title. And you would write here, number of students, and again, increase the size and press enter. So there's your double bar graph. There's just a couple things you might want to do. So let's say you're not happy with your scale. You would right click, go to axis, and then axis area. So this little area here says left vertical axis grid line. So a grid line are the horizontal lines that you see here. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want the increments on your scale to be smaller, meaning let's say you wanted to go up by smaller numbers, you would click on that little button here. And let's say you want to include 6 grid lines. Then you'll see that it's going to go up by 3. Let's say you wanted the increments to be even smaller, then you would click here again. Let's say we want to include 7 grid lines. Now again, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grid lines, and it goes up by 2. So there is your double bar graph. Have fun!